Hi, for those of you all who are new, I'm Betty Toussaint, and I am the owner and founder of Toussaint Law. One of the things that it breaks my heart at Toussaint Law is when I have a client, a father that comes into my office and they are hot. They are pissed, they are upset because they feel that their baby's mother is playing games again. They get to a place where they're frustrated and they don't want to try and be in their child's life. I've had fathers who I've seen in tears because mom or the baby's mother is constantly controlling everything. When they can talk to their child, when they can see their child, and they get so frustrated where you can just see and feel the anger just coming out of them. Well, if you found yourself in that situation, there are three things that I want to leave with you today with dealing with that situation. Number one, stay in control. One of the things that is easy to take place when you are frustrated and you just want to see your son, and especially if you are paying child support and you're not seeing your son, you will get so hot, heated, and frustrated where if you're not careful, you might catch a case. However, there was a man that said something that was so profound. He said, emotions do not have intellect. And there's a book that I often read in Proverbs where it says that a fool gives full vent to his anger. And so the first thing that you have to remember, no matter how upset you might get, you got to pull that anger in and you have to get it under control. Number two, you have to keep trying. It doesn't matter how many times you hear no. It doesn't matter how many times you hear Johnny is sleeping or, your child has an after-school event. Keep trying and document how many times you've tried. I often tell my clients, keep a journal. It's not about the outcome necessarily, but it's about what you give me as your attorney, proof to be able to go into court and say, look, they did this and they did that, and I can tell you the day and the time that they tried. And the third thing that you have to remember is that the only way that you can get your baby's mother, or if your child is with the grandparent, to do what they are supposed to do is take them to court. Get an attorney to file a complaint and let that mother know or whoever has custody of your child that you are not going away. And you get the intervention of the courts, and I guarantee that there is going to be a change in your child's life because you're going to be a part of their life. So, as we close, remember those three things. You got to be sure to keep your cool. You got to be sure to keep trying. And you have to just go ahead and invest in the court system to get what you want, which is time with your child and the right to be a parent to your child. If you enjoyed what you heard today, I want to encourage you to follow us on Facebook, or feel free to go ahead and send me a message on Facebook. And if you'd like to sit down and have a one-on-one talk, feel free to give us a call at the office. We can be reached at 336-355-9137. Our firm is all about the children, protecting them when they have been in an injury or things that have happened in their life to cause them harm, dealing with family situations and dramas involving their parents, and making sure that we provide our community with information to make sure that our children are taken care of. Thank you, and I hope to see you again soon.